Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to search a string in multiple open Java files in Visual Studio Code. You can perform a search string in multiple open files. These files can be any kind of files. You can perform the search. Let's learn this search of text in open files inside the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to use the Java files as a demo. So here we will see these important things. Okay, right here in front of this, in front of you on this notepad. So first we will see match case, whole word match, and how to search with the regular expression. So the options is available, and we will see in details in the upcoming videos about the regular expression. Also, we will see if we have to perform a specific search inside a folder. Okay, like you are looking for a file, you are looking for a string inside the folder, right? So we will see this thing as well. Let's begin. This is the Visual Studio Code. This time on the left hand side in the Explorer, one project is opened. Here we have two sample Java class files. So here we will perform the search action. So first we will perform the string search, right? For that, what you need to do, you have to press a simple key combination. Okay, once you press, you will see this search box on the left hand side. In this box, you have to type the search string, right? So three things available: match case, whole word match, and you can match with the help of regular expression. In front of that, you can see the symbols like first one, match case, right? So whatever you type, so exact match you will see in the result, and that will be highlighted. The result will appear here just below these search boxes on the left hand side, right? See this. So I have typed the search string img, right? So img is matching with the two different strings, right? If you press the match case, then the lower case and upper case sensitive search will be performed. So this time I have typed the lower case text, so the matching string will be found, and this will be highlighted, and this will be shown on the left hand side in the search result, right? So we have one matching string, the exact match img, which is in the lower case, right? The second option is just side to this match case. Suppose if you type some string in this box, the first letter is capital I, then we have a small m and g, and I have just clicked on this second one, whole word match. I want only this word, so the exact whole word match. Then you have to press the second small ab with this underline. So the matching result, which is the exact match of our given string, will be displayed here in the search result on the left hand side. You can see. So this time I have typed the complete string image 1, right? So we are getting first two result, right? If you click the whole word match, then you will see only one result will be found and displayed here. See at line number 6, this is the exact match. If I append something else, then you can see the only one string is matched, and we are getting the result. So we have these options here to perform the search. Suppose you have two different string, right? Line number 7 and line number 8. Here only the difference is the second line has the underscore next, which is a little bit different. If you perform this simple search without choosing any option, match case or whole word, then wherever this string will be found, this will be returned, and this will be case insensitive search. And when you go with the second option, then this will filter out, this will do an exact match and will return you the finding results back to you at this place. See this. So this is the way we can perform the search. We can match the whole word, we can perform the case insensitive, case sensitive, and exact match. The third option, where we have this star option, so when you type, this will ask you to give a regular expression. So whatever you want to find, so you have to learn the regular expression match, and then you have to give that regular expression string. You will find the returned search results. Right now we will see the second important thing, performing a search inside this specific folder. So assume this scenario, we have the folder, and inside the folder we have different files, 2 files, 5 or 10 files. Okay, no matter how many files you have, suppose you have to perform a search. You want to search something, you want to search some text inside a folder, inside the files. Then simply you have to go to that folder, then do the right click and come here, select find in folder. Shortcut is Shift+F, right? And the same search box will appear for you. So at this place you can see you have option to type the text, whatever the search string you want to search inside the folder, and this is the place where this is showing where we are going to perform the search. This time we are inside the test folder, right? And then when you hit enter, you will see the results. So we have find the given string inside one file only, which is app.test.java. This way you will get the results, the method and the line number. So at 2 places we are getting this search string, and when you click, that portion will be highlighted on this text editor inside the file. So this is very convenient place to perform the search inside the Visual Studio Code with the help of this search technique. Also you have this link open in editor. When you click, whatever you have performed the search, that search details will be represented here in this text editor with this graphical form, right? So you can go and perform and refine your search, and you can get the search results on the fly at the same place. See this. So this is very convenient, as I have told you, to perform the search inside the Visual Studio Code. So this is all about performing the search inside the opened files inside the Visual Studio Code. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to support. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.